nagbabaan na.
Stuck on you. Got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Yes, I'm on my way.
Yung mga taga-Atibaga nagbabaan na.
I needed a friend. In the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Yes, I'm on my way. I'm mighty glad you stayed. I'm stuck on you. I've been a fool too long. I guess it's time for me to come
Kompleto.
home.
Wala pa ka.
Yes,
Kamusta?
I'm on my way.
Sobra.
Oh, it's so hard to
Ulit pa, hindi
see
na.
that a woman like you could wait around for a man like me. Yes, I'm on
Saan mo
my
tama na?
way.
Ayun na, kompleto naman sila.
Mighty glad you stayed.
Ayun na, nakuha na. Kuya, salamat kuya. Sa susunod mura na kami. Mura.
Oh,
Mura fresh
leave
na
it
lang.
on that midnight train tomorrow.
Chloe, mag-swimming ka na naman. Namula ka na, oh.
And I know
Maglagay ka sa
just
mukha ng
where
ano.
I'm going.
Dito na sa mukha.
I packed
Eh, ngayon,